Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best pet care products on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential item for pet owners, the PetArmor Ear Mite treatment for cats. If you're searching for the best ear mite cat treatment, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore what makes this product stand out, how to use it, and the benefits it offers to keep your feline friends healthy and happy. Ear mites are a common issue among cats, causing discomfort and leading to serious health problems if left untreated. These tiny pests can invade the ear canal, leading to itching, inflammation, and even infections. That's where the PetArmor Ear Mite treatment comes in. This product is specifically designed to target and eliminate ear mites, providing much-needed relief to your beloved pet. PetArmor's formula is packed with effective ingredients that work to kill ear mites quickly. Not only does it address the infestation, but it also helps alleviate symptoms such as itching, redness, and irritation. The treatment is simple to use, making it an excellent choice for pet owners who want to tackle ear mites without unnecessary stress for their cats. The treatment comes in a 3-ounce bottle, which is enough to treat multiple instances of infection. Beyond targeting ear mites, PetArmor's formula also provides additional benefits. It helps to prevent further infestations, promoting healthy, clean ears. Regular use can maintain your cat's ear health, which is crucial for their overall well-being. Since it's suitable for cats of all ages, you don't have to worry if your feline friend is a kitten or a senior. This treatment works for them all. In wrapping up, the PetArmor Ear Mite treatment for cats is an effective solution for tackling pesky ear mites. With its powerful formula and easy application, it's no wonder why it's considered one of the best in the category. Investing in your pet's health is a top priority, and this treatment makes it a simple process. If you're dealing with ear mite issues in your cat, I highly recommend giving PetArmor a try. Don't forget to consult your veterinarian for any specific questions or concerns regarding your pet's health. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more pet care tips and product reviews. Keep your pets happy and healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.